So, hello guys, today we are visiting the Chinese smartphone market. It's one. We all know how cheap these markets are, like literally here we can find anything, so without delaying any time, let's get started. Just after walking, I found an iPhone 12 Pro for just 450 bucks. It's cheap. However, the camera is broken. But, who cares, I am buying it for gaming, and it's 256 GB one, so I'll just purchase it. And again, look what I found, it's the dummy AirPods for just 20 bucks, so let's purchase it too.